Hi guys, I'm Carsa and I have the most beautiful two-story home to show you guys. This home just got listed and the offered price is $5.249 plus the option to purchase the furnitures. Today I'm giving you a tour of this contemporary 5-bedroom, 5.5 bath located in a prime location, walking distance to Ocean Drive. This is a 2-story luxury residence with a heated swimming pool, outdoor theater, outdoor kitchen, barbecue, a cabana for bath, indoor and outdoor living with a wraparound balcony, 400 square footage of private master balcony, which features impact windows and doors, custom shades and blinds. This is a smart home equipped with cameras, gourmet kitchen. This is a top of the line luxury 2-story residences located in the beautiful Miami Beach. If you know me, I love a black furnitures, anything black. I find it very elegant and timeless. It just reminds me of the perfect little black dress that will never go out of style. If you love entertaining your guests, you're going to absolutely love this home because the massive countertop in the kitchen is perfection. So when it comes to mixing tiles and elements and fixtures, all the bathroom are very luxe in design elements. It is so beautifully arranged and designed. I absolutely love it. And if you're not afraid of textures, you're absolutely gonna love it. Another great design of this home is the outdoor balcony space, which is over 400 square feet. Like I said before, it is amazing just to relax, take in the greenery, and just have a good moment. It is so beautiful and very nicely designed. Right off your master bedroom, which just gives you that sense of serenity if you ever want to read or do a nice yoga meditation outside. It's just so beautiful. As I complete this tour, I hope you like, and if you do like, this home is for sale. It's on the market right now for $5.249. All my information will be down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and guess what? I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye guys.